welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my super cute little top knot high bun using a drawstring ponytail that is only $12 from the beauty supply store. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into this video. So basically this is the end of the day pretty much for me, but I'm just going to show you guys how I get this look. So I'm just going to be taking it down and showing you guys. So this is it messy. At the end of the day, edges are still laid. Look at that. And then it's just like really cute messy curls, but we're going to make it a little bit more sleek. But yeah, I'm just basically going to show you guys the process. And this is a drawstring ponytail that I just got from my local beauty supply store, and it was only 12 bucks. And this is the same drawstring ponytail that I used in my high puff drawstring tutorial video. I just basically put it into a bun. It works perfect because of the length of it. It's not too long, so it's more easy to put into an actual bun. So yeah, so basically if you guys already watched that tutorial, I'll have a link below because it's more easy to follow what I did for this. But I basically just put my hair all the way up into a high bun. I braided this part and I wrapped it around into a small bun so that the drawstring can fit over this little bun. But basically just to freshen up the style, I can use a little wet line because my edges and everything is a little all over the place. Alright, so what I like to use is the wet line with the green lid, and I'm just taking a little bit of water, just doing a little spritz. I don't want it too wet. And basically it's self-explanatory. I just got my hair up into a high bun, and like I said, I will link the tutorial because it's basically the same process of me doing the high puff. Because for the high puff, you gotta do this same exact high bun. So I'm just taking the wet line and applying where it needs some gel. And this is basically how I refresh the hairstyle too, because it lasts me a week. So I just basically refresh it this way as well. It's super easy. And I'm not going to redo my edges because there's no point. And I have baby hair tutorials on my channel as well. So yeah, I just basically do that. And as you guys can see, it starts like sleeking out right away. I just brush it back. This actually makes a really good protective style. Like, I had this hairstyle in all week long, and people actually thought it was my real hair, and I'm like, nah, it's a drawstring. So I'm taking the opening, and then it has this little part. I already have the bobby pin attached to the end just so it makes it easier to attach. And I even went to sleep with the drawstring in my hair. Like, you don't have to redo this every day. You can really just keep the drawstring in and just retouch your edges every day basically. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. So you're basically tucking the teeth on either side, and then you're gonna take that little string and wrap it to secure it in place. So I just take it around and just tuck it in. So as y'all can see, same kind of method from the drawstring high puff. And then I'm just taking a section of hair and I'm just gonna wrap it around. So I feel like it helps, especially like covering any track that might be in the back showing. Taking another bobby pin, and I'm gonna secure that. And then basically I'm just gonna take this hair and from the back move it forward. And this is when you can adjust the bun to look any shape that you would want it to look, but For me, I just kind of tuck it over, and then I take a scrunchie and I kind of leave these hairs loose out. It just gives that more messy look, and I feel like it looks more natural that way. And bring it over, and this is when you can kind of adjust it and play with it. I feel like I don't do anything right on camera. Always off camera I get everything perfect. On camera, no. So yeah, and then I just start adjusting and playing with it basically. So yeah, you kind of let hairs hang down. That's too long though. Any extra hairs, I just bobby pin it. But this technique is so easy, like it just makes your hair look so cute. I get that big bun look I like without having to go buy any bundles or anything, because I feel like the bundles just take too long for me to wrap around and try to create that bun look. So yeah, it's like messy, cute. And the older this hair gets, because this is a synthetic bun or a synthetic ponytail, the older it gets, the more natural it looks, and it's just super, super cute. I will, of course, have the drawstring ponytail linked below. I look oily. I look like all day, and that's because I just got off work and I'm like oily. I think I got a slight tan too. It looks good. But this is the look, guys. It's super cute. Like, imagine this with some like let me show you guys the edge control I use though. So I use the Instant Control edge control. I love this stuff so much. I feel like this is like a known product on YouTube. People don't know about this, but I'm gonna put you on. It's the Instant Control Until You Wash Maximum Hold. So it's basically like a pomade, and it says no flaking, no whitening, but if you do use this a lot, like back to back to back, it will cause flaking and stuff. That's why it's supposed to last you until you wash. And these edges, like, they're bomb. And you can, of course, tie your hair down with a scarf so that it's more sleek and slick. But since I have so much gel build up in my hair, I'm not going to tie it down for the video. But this is overall how it will look. I love this little messy bun type of look. I think it's super, super cute. So yeah, and you can achieve this with a drawstring. It looks very, very natural. You go from that little teeny bun I had to like a nice big bun, and you can make this even bigger. Like, you can really adjust it to your liking and everything. So I love it. It makes a good protective style. It's super, super cute, and I love it. It looks so natural. Like, it looks like it could be my real hair. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.